Welcome to Design Your Tomorrow, where you can see yourself better than you are. I'm Mogele Machongwane, and today we are going to look into how to reprogram your subconscious mind for a wealthy living. So sit back and enjoy the video. Let me give you the following points before we start. Point number 1. Commit to a lifelong learning and work on yourself. Think about any wealthy person you may know, or let me give you some examples. Bill Gates, Serena Williams, Vusi Thembekwayo, Oprah Winfrey, just to name the few. These people are masters at their own games because they continuously work on themselves. So if you want to be like them, you have to commit to a lifelong learning and work on yourself. Point number 2. Pay 100% attention to this video. Get rid of any possible distractions and don't multitask while learning. Otherwise, you won't get full benefit from this video. And point number 3, put what you have studied to test. The magic of learning happens when you walk the talk. So after watching this video, put its content to test and assess the results. Don't study without taking action. You will get into the illusion of competence. This is a mental situation where you think you have learned something when you really have not. It's like fooling yourself into believing you know something you don't. So don't be a follower, be a student. Let's get into our today's learning, shall we? If you want to create wealth, you need to think and act like rich people. Rich people think differently from poor people, and this has everything to do with how their subconscious minds are programmed. So to be wealthy, you need to reprogram your subconscious mind to support rich people mindset. If your thoughts and beliefs are not aligned with wealth creation mindset, simply put, if you want to be rich but grew up thinking money is not important, guess what? It will be almost impossible to attract money in your life until you reprogram your subconscious mind. Did you know that your subconscious mind controls about 90% of your mind based on the information it has stored? Well, it also runs your life through the process of manifestation that says your thoughts lead to your feelings lead to your actions, and your actions lead to your results. So to reprogram your subconscious mind, you need to change the old information in your mind with the new information, especially with wealth creation information. The new information will lead to new thoughts, which will lead to new feelings, to new actions, and eventually to new results. Let me give you 5 simple ways on how to reprogram your subconscious mind and be on your way to a wealthy lifestyle. The first way is by reviewing your daily habits. You can't expect changes in your life if you do the same things every day. If you want things to change, you have to change. If you want things to get better, you have to get better. And the starting point for change process is to review your daily habits. So take some time to write down all your daily activities from waking up in the morning to sleeping at night and ask yourself the following questions. What time do you wake up, take shower, have breakfast, start carrying out your daily activities and sleeping at night? Who do you spend your time with and what do you do or talk about? Are your actions and conversations supporting wealth creation mindset? How are you handling your money? Are you a spender or an investor? What are you busy with on your phone? Are you building your brand on social media or just chatting with your friends, sharing jokes and not so inspirational stories? And the TV, what programs do you watch that provide wealth creation information? By engaging in this exercise, and asking yourself these questions, you will begin to see if your daily habits are taking you closer to being wealthy or away from it. Once you have written down all your daily activities, it's time to assess their impact in your life one by one. Those that do not support wealth creation mindset must go. It is pointless to spend your time, money, and energy on things that take you nowhere. The second way of reprogramming your subconscious mind is by acquiring new information. Education has the power to eliminate fear, worry, and anxiety from the subconscious mind. It can produce confidence and ability to make better conscious decisions. And creating wealth is all about confidence and making better conscious decisions. So educate yourself by acquiring new information, especially wealth creation information, to replace old information in your subconscious mind. The new information will lead to new thoughts, which will lead to new feelings, to new actions, and eventually to new results. Remember, reading books or watching videos about wealth creation will not bring any changes until you apply what comes from those books or videos. When you apply the new information, you will experience internal resistance in the form of giving up or loss of motivation. This will happen because you will be acting against the old habits that do not support wealth creation mindset. So don't get discouraged. Just keep going until you achieve what's needed. Failure is part of learning, but giving up is not an option. The third way of reprogramming your subconscious mind is by setting and achieving your daily goals. Goals have the ability to improve your results as long as you achieve them. They provide motivation required to make changes in your life. So plan your daily goals the night before to give your subconscious mind a space to work on them throughout the night. When you wake up in the morning, work on your goals and don't do anything else until you have achieved all of them. Review your performance before you sleep and set new goals for the next day. Wealthy people are consistent with setting, working on, and achieving their daily goals. So be like them and create a new lifestyle that will impress your subconscious mind. The fourth way of reprogramming your subconscious mind is repetition, repetition, repetition. Subconscious mind loves repetition because its power is in how it stores and uses information. If you repeatedly give subconscious mind the same information over and over, it will begin to store and use it. Just like building your muscles by lifting heavy weights repeatedly, you can reprogram your mind through verbal repetition. As I said before, when reprogramming your subconscious mind, you will experience resistance from old programming. Don't get discouraged by this resistance. Just keep repeating the same process over and over again. Your subconscious mind will find ways to accept the new programming. The last way of reprogramming your subconscious mind is patience. The process of replacing old habits is not a sprint. It is a marathon and will take you years because it took years to form the habits you have. So be prepared to wait for a significant time before your subconscious mind can be fully reprogrammed. However, as we venture in this journey, you will begin to see the promising results that will motivate you to keep going. Just be patient and trust the process. As long as you do the work, the results will surely come. There you have it. 5 ways to reprogram your subconscious mind. Review your daily habits, acquire new information, set and achieve daily goals, repetition, and patience. Of course, there are other psychological ways you can employ like hypnosis, positive affirmation, meditation, just to name the few. I just wanted to keep the information in this video simple and doable. Let me remind you that to see changes in your life, you have to be willing to learn and take action. Watching this video alone means nothing until you put its content to test. So to start the process of reprogramming your mind, take the following actions. 1. Schedule an hour to review your daily habits. Take a pen and paper and write down everything you normally do every day, from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night. This will give you a picture of your life and show you whether you are heading towards wealth creation or away from it. 2. Assess all the activities you have written down to check if they support wealth creation mindset or not. Those that you feel they don't support wealth creation mindset must make way for new activities that do. And 3. Don't watch this video once, but watch it and apply its content over and over again. This will make the process of reprogramming your subconscious mind faster and more effective. That's it for today's learning. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow me on these social media platforms for more educational content.